Excuse me, Mr. Boatman?
Heading to Kaifeng? Let's get to work. An early start means an early finish. Are you a local? What happened to Heaven's Pier?
Bandits came. The village was destroyed.
What a tragedy. It was a wonderful place. Going to Kaifeng for work?
Something like that.
Great place, Kaifeng. The capital. A prosperous city. Though there's a new policy.
Has something happened in Kaifeng?
Nothing special. Fighting over copper coins like... Oh, right. Want me to find you a job?
Me? Thanks, but I'm not looking for work.
Not looking for work? I guess you come for money. Better mind your purse then. This is it.
Southgate Avenue, Fairgrounds, Grand Imperial Temple, and Revelry Hall. Anyone going there? Hurry up! Hop on the cart!
Need a lift to Revelry Hall, young wanderer? Surely you don't want to miss the Emperor of East hosting the Heroes Assembly.
No thanks, I'm good.
Make way! This one's got a horse! A greedy lot. Tripling the fare for the... Back home, we watch out for one another. But out here, you gotta keep your wits about you.
Much appreciated.
They all have wanted to go to the heroic assembly. But what even is that, really?
Come take a look! Treasure chasing! Just like real deal! Only free with the kiss!
Oh, Haley. Renting donkeys again. fresh melons. Top quality melons. Guaranteed. And now they're collecting Tang coins again. When is this ever going to stop?
This...
Buy one of my turtle babies, young hero.
What? Huh, look at that. Old turtle selling off her little ones.
My little babies make a fine little trinket. Oh. Off you go, child. Thank you, young hero.
Prices are through the roof these days.
Want some...
Pretty big market. I wonder where this Wuchua is.
Wuchia? Are you looking for?
You wouldn't be...
You came for me, didn't you? I knew it. My Wuxia treasure basin's made a name for itself.
One Wuchua.
At home or on the road, it works anywhere. A sure sign of fortune and riches. I give you my word. 3 coins apiece.
No thanks.
Hey, don't go yet.
Treasure of Wei Yan, summoning gold. Place a coin, and more shall unfold. Seize the chance before it's sold. I want to try.
Excuse me. I heard you just now mention Wuchua. Really? So...
Not from around here, are you? They say, we're the...
What do you mean?
I mean, so... What...
I have...
No way that many people.
My treasure basin's no... You say I'm lying?
So, this is the real... You wouldn't mind letting us all have a look.
Why would I? You looking to start...
Could there be a contraption at work? Just as I thought. A contraption inside. That get more for less is all a sham. Well, I'll be! What I've got here is wind sense. I can see through the basin. And the wall...
That's nonsense! There's no such thing in this world!
Well, why not just...
Yeah, just show us. Oh, is this some trick?
it's a scam.
A complete con!
Shut your mouth!
Hey! What are you doing?
Nice point, Ben.
Yo!
Feeling good, hero?
Yo!
Lad, still wet behind the ears. You think you can wander the Zhang and allow us teach you a little lesson.
Stop!
Stray cat! This is Wei Young business you're messing with!
Oh? Wei Young.
Who's there? Come out now! Show yourself!
Since you're from Wei Young, surely you recognize me. The Keeper?
Boss, it's the God of Fortune! That's the Wen family's cat! They really are from Wei Young!
Show some backbone! The four keepers of Wei Young. Surely they'd never set foot in a backwater like this!
You may not recognize me, but how about this?
Life coin! It's a Wei Young life coin! Oh, a coin! Pay with a life! Let's get out of here before it's too late!
I've got other business to take care of. I'll deal with you another day!
That was too easy. I still had other tricks up my sleeve. Ah! Oh, my God of Fortune! It's you. Scared the life out of me.
You? Are you one of the four keepers of Wei Young?
That's me.
All right, if you say so. Thank you, Keeper...
Keeper Ying Ying. Heroine Ying Ying. Heroine.
Thank you, Heroine Ying Ying, for coming to my aid.
You're most welcome.
You're too kind.
It's nothing at all.
Really? You lost everything helping others. I can't just let you go hungry, can I? Let's go! Oh, my apologies. I almost forgot about you. Thank you for... Let's go!
You really put on a good show earlier. Oh, so do you know the Ember of East from Wei Young?
The Ember of East. I do.
Does this Ember of East call himself Wucha?
I believe so. His name is Wen Wucha. What of it? What business could you have with him? Well, if you're looking to meet him, you're in luck. He's at Revelry Hall.
Revelry Hall?
Heck, I wish I could go to the Heroic Assembly too. Word is, they'll be handing out coins for 3 days and nights. Is that a fact? Looks like we've got happy days ahead.
Didn't you hear? The Ember of East is holding the Heroic Assembly at Revelry Hall, and will be offering the gold-making vessel. Making gold for 3 days and nights to ease Kaifeng's coin shortage.
Coin shortage?
Never heard of it? Did you crawl out from under a rock? The song makes copper coins, and the tongue of Jiangnan makes iron coins, called tong coins. But in recent years, they've been minting more and more tong coins, and some are underweight.
You think I'm blind? These are tong coins. Take them back.
The song has banned tong coins, but there aren't enough copper coins to go around. With a coin shortage, the folk are hoping the gold-making vessel can make some for them.
Do you think the gold-making vessel really exists?
What do you think?
Maybe. People do need something to hold on to.
Guess I should pay a visit to Revelry Hall myself.
Welcome, dear guests!
Hey, wait! Don't go. Sit down and help me...
What would you like to eat today?
2 bowls of braised noodles, please. I'm curious. You came to Kaifeng now of all times, but not for the treasure basin? So tell me, what exactly brings you here?
Honestly, I'm here to meet someone at
I see.
So far, he's the only one who seems to match the wuxia I've been looking for.
Wuxia, huh? That's really Oh, quick! Let me take a sip of your wine to steady...
Wine?
Don't play... I know that one!
I can't open this one.
Really? I saved your neck and fed you, and you won't even spare a jar of wine?
I can get you something else if you like. Made by my family. My aunt made it herself. This is the only jar left. She's the reason I want to meet the Ember of East.
What happened to her?
You see...
Why would I? I don't even know you.
You...
Ow! My stomach's acting up all of a sudden.
Huh? You...
Just wait here. Gonna hit the head. You know, make some extra room.
Strange.
Is it true Jiangnan's offering the great song a gold-making vessel this year?
That's what I've heard.
The gold-making vessel sounds too good to be true.
Which is why the Ember of East is hosting a heroic assembly for everyone to see.
I heard every famous figure in the... Is it true Jiangnan's offering the great song?
That's what I've heard.
The gold-making vessel sounds...
Which is why the Ember of East...
I heard every famous figure in...
Make coins out of thin air? Sounds impossible.
If the Ember of East says it's possible, all merchants are... Where did Wei Yang get all that money?
Hey, wait!
Ever since Dong coins were banned, business hasn't been easy.
If only we could get our hands on the gold...
Even if it can make coin.
Hey, what brings you to Kaifeng so late at night?
What else? A treasure bowl draws in 1,000 pieces of gold, and heroes gather at Revelry Hall. I'm here for the heroic assembly.
Ever since Dong coins were banned...
If only we could get our...
Even if it can...
Is Is it true Xiangnan's offering the great song a gold-making vessel this year?
That's what I've heard.
The gold-making vessel sound,
Which is why the...
I heard every famous...
Hey, wait! Don't go. Sit down and help me figure this out.
Can you tell me where the closest outhouse is? My friend went to use the bathroom, but hasn't returned.
Oh, she came back all right.
Me? Pay the bill? She said it's her treat. I don't have a single coin.
Honored.
Are you sure she came back earlier?
Why would I lie to you?
A brocade bag?
A brocade bag.
So basically, Is she help?
So?
Well, there is indeed a...
Stop.
What if I don't?
If you don't.
All right, here's the plan.
Huh?
I know it sounds ridiculous.
Fine.
Thank you, kind sir.
Not so fast. You've got to give me the wine as... Go on, and...
What is he really trying to say?
I really did borrow some cash. Let me check this. The traveling merchant outside the...
Did you hear about that fraud at the treasure basin?
Grain for sale! Lowest prices in... Grain for sale! Lowest prices in town! Grain for sale! Lowest prices in...
Now that I've got the grain, I need... Oh, you...
Young master! Are you still alive? What brings you to Kaifeng? Hey there! Hold on. You missed a bag. All right. That's all the grain for today.
Young master, you bought up all the grain?
Sorry, old Gene.
Oh, wait! Wait, young master. You might have... I know a buyer willing...
Well, I'm...
Young master, don't leave just yet! You don't want more people finding out...
What do you want?
Just a 10%. How about we trade it? Think about it.
All right, then.
Dao Lord.
So it's true. Old Gene, where's this box?
Just...
Young master, the Tao Lord's helper is in there.
Who's that? You? Oh, you're here to sell grain, right? I'm shopkeeper Fu. Well met.